Welcome back to my channel Commerce with Nidhi. So today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic of grade 12 accountancy, past adjustments. Past adjustments means the adjustments which we have to do after preparing the final accounts. Sometimes it happens that when final accounts are closed, some errors are detected. Example, interest on capital was omitted to be paid to the partners, or interest on drawing was omitted to be charged from the partners, or profit was distributed in the wrong ratio, or interest on capital was paid in the wrong percentage. So these are some of the errors which occur generally at the time of like after once the final accounts are closed. So how these are settled? These are settled by making an adjustment table and passing a single adjustment entry. Let's understand with an example. A, B, C, D are four partners. The opening capital of A, B, C, D are 50,000, 30,000, 25,000 and 15,000. Interest on capital was to be paid at the rate of 10%, but it was omitted and profit was distributed without paying the interest on capital. So how are we going to adjust this entry? We have to prepare adjustment table for that. So first of all, we are going to find out the interest on capital which was omitted to be paid to the partners. So A, B, C, D. A's capital is 50,000. So 10% of 50,000 for 12 months is 5,000. B's capital is 30,000. 10% of this for 12 months is 3,000. C's capital is 25,000. 10% of this is 2,500. And D's capital is 15,000. 10% of this for the whole year is 1,500. So this is the interest on capital which was supposed to be paid to the partner. So now we are going to pay this interest on capital. So interest on capital. So partner's capital account will be credited with this amount. A will be credited by 5,000, B will be credited by 3,000, 2,500 C will be paid and 1,500 D will be paid. So total comes 12,000. So 12,000 total amount the firm has to pay as interest on capital to the partner. So now this 12,000 was not paid and profit was distributed. So the excess profit which was distributed without paying interest on capital was 12,000. So we will be charging this 12,000 back from the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Students, when profit sharing ratio is not given to us in the question, it is always equal. So we will be charging this equal 12,000 divided by 4, 3,000 rupees profit from each partner. So profit to be taken back from the partner. So when we take back some amount from the partner, their capital account is debited. So 12,000 total we have to take back from the partner in their profit sharing ratio. This is 3,000, 3,000, 3,000 each from all the partners we are going to take back. So I have shown this in the bracket, means this is a negative figure. Partners have to pay this. Let's see. We have to give 5,000 to A and we have to take 3,000 back from A. So net amount which A will be paid will be 2,000. So A's capital account will be credited with 2,000. B, we have to pay interest on capital 3,000 and 3,000 profit we have to take back. So his account is nullified. C, 2,500 he will get interest on capital and 3,000 we have to charge back from B. So 500 net amount we can take back from B. D, 1,500 we have to pay him as interest on capital and 3,000 we have to charge back as profit which was wrongly distributed, excess distributed. So 1,500 net we have to charge from B. So our adjustment entry will be C's capital account debit, D's capital account debit to A's capital account. So C's capital account debit with 500 rupees, D's capital account debit with 1,500 rupees to A's capital account with 2,000 rupees. So this is the adjustment entry which we have passed. So whenever any error is occurred, we have to pass adjustment entry. The amount which was not paid will be paid now and the excess profit which was distributed to the partners will be charged back from the partners. Thank you.